I'm Sohee, an experienced online Korean teacher with over 7,000 Korean classes taught. And today we are going to learn real-life Korean through the very popular Netflix show, Culinary Class Wall. First of all, I myself am a foodie, and when this show came out, I was just like, I have to watch this. So the show's name in Korean is 흑백요리사. 흑 is another way of saying black, the black color, and 백 means white. So 요리사 is chef. So they divided the chefs into two categories, the white and the black chefs. Originally in Korean, we have 흑수저 with the 받침 리을 and 기읍 being soil. So if we refer to people who are from a 흑수저 background, that is with a very humbled background. But in the show, they used color black to represent that. And on the contrary, we use 금수저, which is gold spoon, to refer to like people from quite privileged backgrounds. And here they used white for that. And 수저 means spoon and chopstick. You will be able to find like 수저 세트, that's like a set of spoon and chopsticks. Throughout the show, the chefs were having cooking battles. You can say 요리 battle or 요리 대결. And we have two very famous chefs in Korea, 백종원 and 안성재 셰프님 as our judge. 심사위원. Basically, every round the chefs were provided with really great ingredients, 재료, and they have to use their technique, 기술, to impress the judges. Other than the taste, 맛, they were also being judged on the presentation and their ability to run a business, run a restaurant, and teamwork. Like and subscribe if you like this video. It helps the channel a lot. 시간이 얼마 남지 않았습니다. 이 요리는 어떤 재료를 사용했어요? 토마토랑 소시지를 사용했습니다. 이게 토마토 요리라고? 진짜 특이한 조합이네. 맛을 어떻게 표현하고 싶었어요? 달달한 토마토의 맛이랑 짭짤한 소시지의 맛을 표현하고 싶어요.
뭐?
심사위원님, 맛을 봐주세요. 소시지 특유의 향도 나오고 정말 맛있네요. 이 요리는 완벽한 것 같습니다. 뭐 추천하시겠어요? 오늘의 스페셜은요. 토마토 소시지 파스타입니다. 이 요리는 너무 짜요. 그래요? 죄송합니다. 물 좀 주시겠어요? 그럼요. 비주얼이 훌륭합니다. 맛을 볼게요. 맛있어요. 다시 먹고 싶어요. 초콜릿이 부드러워요. 잘 먹었습니다. 감사합니다. 저기요, 계산해 주세요. 너무 맛있었으니까 리뷰 좀 해야지. Do you ask me where did I reserve for this restaurant? 예약해요. It's on this app, Catchable. They have all the chefs from Culinary class walls and their restaurant listed on the app, so it makes it really easy for you to reserve. Downside, because so many people want to reserve, they're fully booked for this month, and I think the next I got in because I'm a VIP. Anyways, the booking details are in the description box down below, so just check it out. If you would like to learn more real-life Korean phrases and vocabulary, click on this playlist to learn more.